Tuloy-tuloy ang spot inspections sa iba't ibang PAO district and regional offices upang matiyak at mabantayan ang kalidad ng serbisyo na ipinagkakaloob sa ating mga kababayan na kliyente ng PAO.
Kaya naman kaugnay niyan, narito po ang spot inspection sa PAO Tagaytay City.
We can't contain our gladness. We want to express our happiness. We're overfilled with joy today. We have a celebration for a good reason. We're done with many nights of weeping. This is our morning of rejoicing. Good vibes in the air, we truly feel. And there's the voice of the people saying, Chief Acosta, you're defending the people's rights. You keep on fighting the good fight, the justice and public service. You've dedicated your life. You're deeply touching others' lives.
Cases of national and global interest. You've many of these tirelessly. You've worked hard until they are solved. You've set the bar high in serving the people. You've made the PAO a byword in every household and everywhere, a name to behold.
Chief Acosta, you're defending the people's rights. You keep on fighting the good fight, the justice and public service. You've dedicated your life. You're deeply touching others' lives. Chief Acosta, you're defending the people's rights. You keep on fighting the good fight, the justice and...
Sa mga kliyente po ng Public Attorney's Office, meron po kaming pala yung Presida Acosta's Legal Advice tuwing Friday po. Kung may mga concerns po sila at hindi po makapunta sa ating mga districts, maaari po sila makipag-ugnayan at sisiguraduhin po ng Public Attorney's Office na bibigyan po ng tugon ang kanilang mga hiling at mga pangailangan po through our social media team po sa PALA. Hello po Chief, maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagsuporta po ninyo sa mga district offices ng PAO at sana po ay mas matulungan pa po natin ang mga mahihirap po ng mga kababayan natin at mas matugunan pa po yung mga pangangailangan nila. Marami pong mga kliyente ang hindi po kayang kumuha ng pribadong abogado at nandito po ang ating Public Attorney's Office sa pangunguna po ng ating Chief Public Attorney, Dr. Persida V. Rueda Acosta, DSD, JD at maraming salamat po Chief sa walang sawang pagsuporta po sa mga lawyers and staff po ng PAO at sa mga kliyente po natin na nangangailangan po ng inyong tulong.
Public service, you've dedicated your life. You're deeply touching others' lives. You're fighting the good fight, this cannot be denied. Onward and fighting the good fight.